Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's October 28th. I hope everybody had a good Halloween weekend. We still have it coming up on Thursday, but I figure most everybody's gotten their parties and costume parties over this weekend, so hope you guys had a great time. I know we did. Anyway, as far as the market goes, today was an absolute snooze fest. So welcome to Monday. It was just totally sideways, maybe a little bit of a drift downward, and as one of our subscribers said, that it basically tripped on its way out the door for the close today. You can see we got a little candle downward here. Now, for now, I'm going to be kind of blaming this on the hourly 50 right there. You can see price is still getting rejected by that, and we do have the MOXY indicator well below zero. And also on the 15-minute time frame, we have the 50 below the 200, and so this is still technically considered bearish on these time frames. And we do need to be careful that the market could continue down. It could chop around. It could do something a little bit more. It just doesn't look like it's ready to go up quite yet. However, the IWM and many other stocks today were doing just fine. So it seems as though there was a bit of a rotation out there. Yeah, so you can see here IWM up and doing great. This was because it bounced off the daily 50 right here. We're still not quite out of the woods yet because we are going up against a downtrending hourly 50, and we'll have to see about the MOXY indicator over the next few days. That being said, you know, if the market itself, the index, wasn't looking too hot, then check out some of these other names. SERV, this is one that I've been watching. Nice pop today, and we got a fresh MOXY price trigger after price was holding the daily 50, and we got an increase in volume. And then you can look at some most of the crypto names are doing pretty well here too, and you could see Irene is one of the ones that I've been following, kind of the same pattern right into the daily 50 and then pop up today. And then SoundHound. This is another name that has been going sideways for months and had a couple teases, but this looks pretty real, legit. A nice breakout after a pullback, fresh MOXY price trigger. I mean, you even see that back here when we had that move, the MOXY indicator did not fire, but now we are getting this to fire. So it does seem like there's some good stuff going on out there, and we're in on these names, doing well. The other thing I'll show you is Shakecheck. We've been in this one. It's finally breaking up and out. So again, you know, these things are looking pretty good, and I'm very happy about it. We got good volume across the board. We do have earnings coming up, and then checking in with Reddit, we took some profits on this one because it was getting a little bit frothy up there, but we are up 37-38% on our position on that one, and we took some profits. And then we can also look at Cart, which is Instacart. And on our original position, we are up 25%, and we took profits. And we even had another position here that we took, and we're up 10% on that one. So, you know, just great stuff all around the board. Very happy about it. And so I'm not too worried about the S&P. We'll just have to see what this thing wants to do as far as pulling back and kind of finding some support. I think it's earnings season. Maybe it's waiting for the mega caps. You know, if we look at that, FNGU. This is a leverage ETF of the mega caps, and you can see it's also just kind of going sideways too. So, you know, I think maybe they're hanging out for a little bit and letting some other stocks breathe. All right, guys. So, hope you're enjoying it. If you have any questions, coming over to the MOXY trading room, and you guys can join us for all these trades. I'm also working on 1 DTE and 0 DTE. We're selling calls, we're selling puts, we're also buying them, and doing that kind of stuff with the SPX. So diversifying our types of trades. All right, everyone, thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one. Take care.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.